Hi, Grandpa. Here I am in my new high chair. Let's have a look. Hey. Wow. Did you just have some rice cereal in your high chair, Iza? Yeah, they can't see your high chair very much. I'm going to have to move away. Wow. Cool chair. Yeah, what do you think of it? It's pretty nice. Let's get farther back. You can see the whole thing. There it is. It's going to pull right up to the table when we're not feeding her, and we like that. She can eat with us at the table. Yeah, there you are. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Whoa. Did you have a nice dinner? A nice lunch? Hi, everybody. Big smile. Oh, good girl. It's hard to see her a little bit, hey? It seems sort of backlit. Let's turn around again. There. That's the tour of the high chair. Thanks very much, Oma.